Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Retinol Reform is probably one of the most sought-after skincare solutions for achieving a smoother, brighter, and more youthful complexion, and today we're diving deep into why this cult favorite serum has earned its stellar reputation among beauty enthusiasts and dermatologists alike. If you're on the hunt for a powerful yet gentle way to tackle fine lines, uneven texture, and dullness, then stick around as we explore the transformative benefits and unique formulation that makes Shani Darden's Retinol Reform a game-changer in your skincare routine. Number 5. Glow Recipe Pink Juice Water Gel Moisturizer Travel Size. Achieve that coveted glass skin look with our refreshing water gel moisturizer. It's designed to hydrate without the heaviness. Experience oil-free hydration that your skin will love. This formula is perfect for those seeking a dewy, fresh complexion. Packed with hyaluronic acid, it quenches your skin's thirst. Enjoy long-lasting moisture that feels incredibly light. This non-comedogenic moisturizer is a dream for oily skin types. It hydrates deeply without clogging pores. Take your skincare routine on the go with this convenient travel size. Get that radiant glow wherever you are. Embrace the secrets of Korean beauty with this innovative gel moisturizer. It delivers a smooth, supple finish. What we like? This one offers a refreshing, oil-free hydration experience perfect for achieving the coveted glass skin look. If you have oily or combination skin and prefer a lightweight feel, this is an excellent choice for daily hydration. It's ideal for those seeking a dewy, non-greasy glow. What people say. The product is very effective and delivers on its promises. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well into any space. Its unique features make it stand out from competitors. Number 4. ELEMIS Superfood Midnight Facial. Introducing the ELEMIS Superfood Midnight Facial. This luxurious cream works overnight to deeply hydrate and nourish your skin. Formulated with potent superfoods like camu and vitamin C, it replenishes moisture lost throughout the day. Experience a visible improvement in firmness and smoothness as it works while you sleep. Its rich, hydrating formula is ideal for combating dryness, leaving your complexion soft and supple. Awaken to a complexion that looks and feels revitalized, plump, and glowing with health. This is the perfect addition to your nighttime routine for a truly transformative effect. What we like? Experience deep nourishment while you sleep with this rich cream. It's formulated to combat dryness and boost radiance, making it perfect for those with dry or dull skin. If you wake up wanting a more supple and luminous complexion, this overnight treatment is for you. What people say. It has a more fruity scent than PC night cream, but it's also lovely and felt amazing on my skin, and to my surprise my skin did not absorb it all by morning. I looked in the mirror expecting to see my dry dull skin but was pleasantly surprised to see that my face had this amazing dewy glow. There was still a light layer of hydration, but it wasn't oily or greasy and my face looked amazing. I've never had a product make my skin feel protected and moisturized for more than an hour or two, but this product kept it moisturized for well over 12 hours. This night cream leaves my face moisturized but does not leave a heavy finish. I have very dry skin, so this night cream is one I have been using for a year now. The product itself is amazing, very fresh and fruity smell, almost tropical-like. Very moisturizing and thick, not in a bad way. You really don't need much on your face at all, even more so compared to other ELEMIS creams. Number 3. 8 Saints Skincare Pure Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Discover the power of pure hyaluronic acid. This serum is designed to deeply hydrate and plump your skin, leaving it looking refreshed and revitalized. Infused with natural vitamin C and E, this formula works to combat the signs of aging. It helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Experience a firmer, more hydrated complexion. This serum provides essential moisture and supports skin elasticity for a youthful glow. Turn back the clock with our potent anti-aging blend. It actively works to diminish wrinkles and promote a smoother, more radiant appearance. Formulated with natural and organic ingredients, it's gentle yet effective for all skin types. Achieve visibly younger-looking skin with consistent use. Make this serum a vital part of your daily skincare routine. It delivers essential nutrients to keep your skin healthy and vibrant. What we like? This serum delivers powerful plumping hydration with a blend of natural and organic ingredients. It targets fine lines and wrinkles for a firmer, more youthful appearance. If you're looking for an effective anti-aging solution that feels gentle on the skin, this is a fantastic option. What people say. Pep Rally Face Serum was so lightweight and effective. My skin quickly soaked it up. Just a little was enough. It felt very moisturizing and so refreshing. My skin felt good and looked brighter. Pep Rally made a difference beyond anything I could have hoped for. Significant difference literally after the first use. Pep Rally maintains constant and consistent moisture without drying out. Not oily or sticky, it absorbs quickly but my skin stays hydrated all day. It makes my skin feel instantly hydrated and noticeably plumper. After using it regularly, I've seen a reduction in the look of fine lines and my face looks smoother and more refreshed. Number 2. M61 PowerGlow Peel. Discover the revolutionary M61 PowerGlow Peel, your shortcut to radiant skin. This powerful exfoliating facial peel is designed for maximum impact with minimal effort. Achieve a luminous complexion in only 1 minute. Its advanced formula works quickly to reveal smoother, brighter skin. Simplify your skincare routine with this one-step solution. It effortlessly exfoliates and revitalizes, making professional-level treatment accessible at home. Formulated with potent glycolic and salicylic acids, it effectively targets dullness and imperfections. These key ingredients work synergistically to refine your skin's texture. Enjoy up to 30 treatments with each package, ensuring you maintain your glow over time. It's an economical and effective way to keep your skin looking its best. Experience the transformative PowerGlow difference for yourself. Reveal a healthier, more vibrant complexion with consistent use. What we like. Achieve a quick and effective exfoliation with this powerful peel. Its blend of glycolic and salicylic acid works in just 1 minute to reveal smoother skin. If you need a fast, no-fuss way to brighten and refine your complexion, this is the perfect addition to your routine. What people say. These work great. They are very powerful, so I only use them twice a week. They make my skin so smooth and helps with a flawless makeup application in the days following treatment. The texture of my skin is amazing, hyperpigmentation is fading, and radiance is returning that I am getting my glow back. Combined with dermaplaning at home, I have not had a single breakout. Over time my skin has definitely improved. The biggest downside is that it leaves a gross film-like feeling on your skin within 2 minutes after using. It goes away but it's not very pleasant, especially when you're using the wipes daily. Number 1. Obagi ELASTIderm Eye Cream. Discover the Obagi ELASTIderm Eye Cream, a revolutionary solution for your delicate eye area. Its lightweight and smooth formula is designed for optimal absorption and comfort. This advanced cream has been clinically proven to make a difference. See a visible reduction in the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles around your eyes. Experience the luxurious feel of its smooth, lightweight texture. It glides on effortlessly, providing hydration without feeling heavy. Specifically formulated to target the signs of aging, it works to diminish the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Reveal a smoother, more youthful appearance. Give your eyes the care they deserve with this powerful yet gentle formula. It helps to revitalize the skin, leaving it looking refreshed and rejuvenated. What we like. Specifically designed for the delicate eye area, this cream is clinically proven to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Its lightweight, smooth formula absorbs easily without feeling heavy. If you're concerned about crow's feet and want a targeted treatment for firmer-looking eyes, this is the product for you. What people say. This little gem has quickly become a must-have in my skincare routine, and it definitely lives up to the hype. First off, the cream has this amazing, silky texture that just glides on effortlessly. It absorbs quickly, which means I don't have to wait around before applying my makeup. And the best part? No greasy residue, so my eye area feels fresh and clean. One of the biggest wins for me has been the noticeable reduction in dark circles and puffiness. Seriously, after just a few weeks of using this eye cream, my under eye area looks so much brighter. I also appreciate that it's formulated to support the skin's elasticity. I've noticed that the skin around my eyes feels firmer, and those pesky fine lines that were starting to make an appearance are looking less pronounced. The tube has a handy applicator tip that gives just the right amount of product, which prevents any waste and keeps everything nice and hygienic. It's such a small detail, but it really makes a difference. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.